Alright guys, today is Wednesday, October 29. It is the spooky season and man, the markets are spooky for sure. And I just want to let you guys know, yesterday I could not post a trade because I just, for some reason, our Wi-Fi cut off at night. Like when I got back, I don't know why, but it's all fixed now. And I couldn't trade yesterday, or I couldn't show you guys my trade yesterday. So it's been like 33 days since I missed a trade recap, so which is rare. But I lost like 1,000 something yesterday, and it was just horrible price action in the morning. Caught in between chops, and lunch and PM just shot to my TPs per usual, which really sucks, man. But yeah, down 1,000 something yesterday, and today we had FOMC. And man, I'm still waiting for TJR to drop his video, because I mean, who isn't, man? Come on. But yeah, we had FOMC. That's later in the noon. I didn't trade it, but yeah, we still had this 8 a.m. Wasn't really huge, but let's get into it. Alright, so we are at all-time highs again, and I do not want to go bearish, but today is different. We had news FOMC, and we do still have this weekly gap right here, so pretty good shorts. We were just we just hit all-time highs, so there's nothing really to take higher. And so yeah, let's just get into it. So I just marked out our lows, Asia lows. I don't think we're gonna go all the way down here, maybe if news comes. But yeah, I marked down Asia lows. London lows have been swept, and we have these lows, right? And we also have this hourly fair value gap that I want to get to before, if ever, we continue higher, right? So those are my draws, especially that weekly down here with that weekly down there. That's even more, I'm more confident with the shorts today. And so yeah, here market opens, our draw is lower, so initially I want this high to get taken, or this high, right? So let's just draw that in a cleaner way. Money, liquidity, boom. Right, so 5 minutes in, we have this 5 minute that we tapped into right here, and I didn't want to take this long because price was chopping so much already. Like, this week has been fucking barcodes, like I cannot tell you. But yeah, so we swept this high, we continue to sweep this all-time highs, so we're back at all-time highs, and yes, we are gonna short this. So we swept all-time highs. Now we just want a some bearish confluence. We could target these lows, and yeah, so here in the 1 minute, ES has swept it as well, right? I was looking for an SMT. We have no SMT, but it's not necessary for our strategy. I'm just looking for an inverse now to target these lows, and I believe it's also a 5 minute, right? And we also have this hourly here, so it was pretty good draws on liquidity. I'm just looking for an inverse now. We have a 1 minute here, right? So right now, what am I waiting for? To inverse this with a bearish candle, bearish displacement, strong move to the down. So we do have this 1 minute. I did not want to enter, okay, no 2 minute, I think. Yeah, I did not want to enter this 3 minute, which I still did, but we'll see how that looks. All right, so boom, We inversed the one. I waited for a bit more displacement, stronger displacement. This was already good, to be honest, but I just entered later. Let's see on the 3 minute where it closed. Yeah, we closed down there, so yeah, I wasn't looking at this 3 minute. It didn't even develop at this time yet, so boom, this closed lower, inversing this gap, right? Inversed. I entered a little later, but that's okay. And then my stops were up here for the most part, right? Break even will be here. Boom. So boom, I let that play out, right? Boom, we touched our break even, but I didn't fully stay with my break evens. Yeah, I still kept it up there because it's pretty discretionary, and we have this 1 minute gap, this one behind it. Here, I'll just draw it again. It's discretionary, but we have this, okay, here we have this fair value gap here that got respected. So when price came up here, right here, I just wanted to see if we respected it. My stops are still here, and we did, so I kept it that way. I did. When we came back down again around here, I did put this lower, and it just seemed like we were gonna go lower, so I put it here, right, for a almost 9.4 RR. And we just ended up hitting break even there. And then guess what happens next? We have this, so that was an L. So what happens after? Hold on. What happens after? We have this 1 minute gap still. So I lost this by like $100, I guess, somewhere around there. So what do we see? We still have these gaps. I didn't take this trade, by the way. It just sucks. This is how I've been trading lately. Like, it's been happening a lot, like a lot. So we trade into this 1 minute gap, and then we continue lower. So if I were to, so that was my trade, right? So we fill this gap and we continue lower. Like, look at this, man. Like, it's yeah, I moved my stops, but that's because we hit our break even. This is how we trade our model, right? That's how I trade my model, at least. And like, I should have just at least kept it here on this fair value gap, and it still would have been a 3.3R. But man, you know, traders are all about, hey, follow your rules. If you break your rules, you're just gonna hurt yourself. You're a bad trader, blah blah blah. And so, like, in my mind, of course I'm gonna go break even here, or not even break even, go here, at least let the trade breathe. And it did, man. It really did. It just wanted to fill that 1 minute, and then we just continued lower, and it sucks. It sucks. That is my one and only trade for today. Like, look how low it went. It probably tapped into this hourly. Yeah. So my draws have been always right. This week, previous week, like, you guys have seen it, whoever watches me. Maybe there's only a few of you, but still, I just want to let everyone know, and myself know, that, hey, your draws are right, you're just entering wrong. And I feel like my entry is pretty good here. Like, I don't know. We might have to back test a bit more. I don't know. I mean, like, to the traders who have been trading over 2 years, 3 years, and have been profitable, like, let me know, is this how price has always been moving before Trump? Like anything before Trump, I'm hearing people were like, the price action there was heaven. That's how people made bank. But ever since Trump came, like, price has just been this shitty. And so yeah, that is my one and only trade for the day. Before news it was chopping, and then this crazy move happened. And yeah, I'm still waiting for TJR. I know he gambled this stuff. That's my goat, by the way. Yeah, I'll just show you guys. Oh, it is 12 already. I'll show you the account. We are down bad. Down bad. Down 1,500 on the account. Yesterday 1,132. Today 114. And yeah, to be honest, I am lost in the sauce right now. Like, 2 greens? Are you serious? That's really bad. And then here yesterday, the 3 trades I took, bang, bang, bang. Just horrible. What's our win rate now? Like 10%, 18. Like, one winning day is really, really bad. Like, I'm gonna look back at my trades where I passed my evals and just regroup myself, because I feel like I know my draw more now, but my model is just not hitting. Not hitting at all. And it sucks. This feeling sucks. You know, this is how people lose motivation and lose their interest in trading and just give up as a trader. And yeah, sometimes I'm gonna be transparent. I feel like quitting, but man, the ROI of this when I'm just there, it's over, man. But yeah, that is my trade for today. I hope you guys took a W, and I hope we get better price action. See you guys. Peace.